If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result in the loss of some vitamins. The skin of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. So, children, what is said in this para is we have to eat, we have to wash the fruits and vegetables properly, and then we have to consume them. But peeling of them, sometimes by peeling of this by peeling of the skin of some of the fruits, we are also peeling the vitamins that are inside that skin. So the skin of many vegetables and fruits contains vitamins and minerals. In the same manner, the washing of rice and pulses, washing of rice, that is repeatedly, if we wash rice and pulses, we will lose the vitamins and minerals that are present in them. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food. Sorry. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. So, children, as we all know, if we eat the raw material, it will cause us stomach ache. So we have to cook the food, and then only we have to eat the food. But because it also becomes easy to digest. But dear children, cooking also results in the loss of some nutrients. If we add more water than needed to cook the food, we are losing many considerable amount of minerals and useful proteins. So we have to use the water that is needed only for cooking the food. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Yes, children, vitamin C is destroyed while cooking the food. So, children, do you recollect from where do we get this vitamin C? Which type of fruits or vegetables provides vitamin C? Yes, lemon, oranges. Yes, जो खट्टे फल होते हैं वो हमें विटामिन सी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. So children, if you want to add lemon in your food, after the food is cooked, you have to add it from the after the food is cooked, you have to add lemon to your food. Bujo thought that fats would be the best foods to eat all the time. A katori of fat will give much more energy than a katori of carbohydrate rich food. Oh my god, look at Bujo, how fat is he, isn't it? He is fat, isn't he? Oh, so he thought, this boy, his name is Bujo. This boy, his name is Bujo. He is thinking that if he will eat the katori bowl of a fat, that will give much more energy, and then the katori of carbohydrate rich food. Well, children, what do you think? Is he right? Is he saying the correct thing? Well, let us see. So he ate nothing but food rich in fats. So what did he do? This hero, he ate only the food that was rich in fats. That means only the fried foods. Fried foods like samosa, puri, malai, rabdi, peda, etc. etc. Do you think he was right? No, of course not. Because it was very harmful. How was it harmful? Because as you can see here, the figure of this Bujo, he is very, very, very fat. See his face. See him. See. He is very fat. So, it can be very harmful for us to eat too much of fat rich foods, and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. Well, children, if we eat only this type of fried food, we may suffer from a condition called obesity. Obesity, that is overweight, that is too much of fattiness. Okay? Now, topic 2.4, deficiency disease. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency, that means lack of. उसकी कमी होती है. Deficiency, that is the lack of, that is कमी. Right? Obesity, that is overweight. Deficiency, that is उसकी कमी. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause disease or disorders in our body, and this deficiency, the disease that is caused by the deficiency, is known as deficiency disease. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. So children, this is the definition of deficiency disease. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough proteins in his her food for a long time, she is likely to have stunted growth. क्या बोलते हैं? Stunted growth. Stunted growth, that means the growth stops. He or she may suffer from the, उसकी शायद हाइट नहीं बढ़ेगी, उसकी शायद बॉडी डेवलप नहीं होगी. So he will, that the growth will stop. That is known as the stunted growth. Swelling of face. Swelling. What is meant by swelling? Swelling, that is sujan. Discoloration of hair. Hair will from black will become grey or white. Skin diseases. Skin disease, that is the disease of skin. And diarrhea. Diarrhea, that is julab, jhada થઈ જવા. Right? So all these diseases are caused due to the lack of what? Due to the lack of nutrient diet, right? Because if we will not take the balanced diet, this type of disease may occur in our body. If a person does not get enough proteins in her food or in his food for a long time, he will suffer from the stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and diarrhea. Okay. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he or she may not be even able to move. So well children, in this paragraph, we studied about the, if the person does not get enough protein in her diet, right? And in this second paragraph, if the person does not get carbohydrates and proteins for a long time, he or she will become very weak, become very thin and weak, and he or she may not be able even move, right? उसको उसके खुद से वो अपने आप हिल नहीं पाएगा. वो जो पर्सन है उसके डाइट में अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और प्रोटीन्स का प्रपोर्शन जो है वो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, वो बहुत ही कम होगा, तो उसकी वजह से शी विल फील वेरी वीक, बहुत पतली हो जाएगी, उसको बहुत अशक्ति महसूस होगी. सो एंड शी विल नॉट बी इवन एबल टू मूव बाय हरसेल्फ. वो खुद से अपने आप से हिल भी नहीं पाएगा ऐसा पर्सन. ओके. Now that was about the deficiency of proteins, deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins, and now comes the deficiency of vitamins and minerals, right? So deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. So children, there is a table given on page number 16 which we will see. So what will happen if there is if sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals are not taken by us, what will be the result? We will see in table 2.3. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. So children, we have to take a balanced diet. Why? So that we can grow and develop properly. If there is a deficiency of protein, what will happen? Stunted growth, swelling of face. Yes, deficiency of proteins, stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and diarrhea, right? And deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins, what will happen? Thin, weak, and person becomes very lean, may not be able to move. Now, deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may result in certain disease or disorders. This deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking balanced diet. How can this be prevented? Well, all these diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. So children, in this chapter, we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different regions had a common distribution. This distribution we find ensures that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. So children, here table is given. In first column, there are 3 columns in this table. In first column, here as you can see, this is the first column, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So this is a table about some diseases, disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Here in first column, as you can see, the names of vitamins and minerals are there. These are the names of vitamins up till here, and these are the names of minerals. And here the deficiency, disease or disorder are given, right? So now, and in the third column, the symptoms, that means what will happen, symptoms, that are the symbols, sign, उसकी क्या क्या निशानियाँ होती है अगर हम अपने डाइट में ये विटामिन्स नहीं होंगे, अपने डाइट में विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, तो हमको हमारी बॉडी पे उसका क्या इफेक्ट होगी, वो डिजीज़ दिए गए हैं और उस डिजीज़ में हमें क्या क्या हो सकता है. दिस इज गिवन इन द थर्ड कॉलम. सो नाउ लेट अस रीड द table. Yes, the first one is vitamin A. If there is deficiency of vitamin A in our diet, we will suffer from poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vision, that means dekhna. Loss of vision, here loss of vision, that means person may become blind, right? पुअर विजन, दैट मीन्स बहुत कम दिखाई देना. लॉस ऑफ विजन इन डार्कनेस, रात को बिल्कुल भी ना दिखाई दे. समटाइम्स कंप्लीट लॉस ऑफ विजन, और कई बार बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई देता. वाई? बिकॉज देर इज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए इन अवर फूड. सो चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट विटामिन ए? कैन यू रिकलेक्ट? यस, विटामिन ए हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? बोलो. हाँ, विटामिन ए हमको मिलता है फिश, मिल्क, पपैया, कैरोट, मैंगो. सो नाउ कम्स द second vitamin, that is vitamin B1. Well, that disease is caused by disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1 is the beriberi. And what happens in that disease? Weak muscles and very little energy to work. The muscles becomes very weak and very little energy to work. That means the person gets tired very frequently. वो बहुत जल्दी थक जाता है. अगर पर्सन बहुत जल्दी थक जाता है, उसको बहुत कम एनर्जी होती है उसकी बॉडी में काम करने को, उसका मतलब है उसको विटामिन B1 चाहिए, राइट? नाउ कम्स द विटामिन सी. विटामिन सी, द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी causes the disease known as scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy are bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. Well, bleeding gums का क्या मतलब होता है जानते हो आप? Bleeding gums मतलब when you are brushing your teeth, if the blood comes out of the mouth, comes out of the teeth, the skin that is attached to the teeth, that blood comes from the joint, that is known as bleeding gums. एंड वुंड्स टेक लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील. वुंड्स टेक लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील, दैट मीन्स अगर आप कहीं गिर गए हो, अगर आपको कहीं लगी है, दैट विल टेक अ लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील, राइट. उसको अच्छा होने में ज़्यादा वक्त लगता है. क्यों ऐसा होता है? बिकॉज देयर इज अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी. एंड चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम वेयर आर वी गेटिंग विटामिन सी? कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? खट्टे जो होते हैं फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, उसमें से हमें मिलते हैं विटामिन सी. द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ विटामिन सी आर ऑरेंज, टोमेटो, गोवा, लेमन, आंवला, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ओके, नाउ कम्स विटामिन डी. The deficiency of vitamin D causes the disease known as rickets. Rickets, in what happens in rickets? Well, the bone becomes soft and bent. क्या होता है उसमें? उसमें होता है ये जो बोन्स होते हैं हमारे, वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं और बहुत जल्दी बेंट हो जाते हैं. क्या होते हैं? बेंट होते हैं. And from where do we get vitamin D? Yes, vitamin D is obtained from milk, butter, fish, egg, liver. Okay. Now comes about the minerals. The first mineral here given is calcium. The deficiency of calcium will result in bones and tooth decay. Decay, that is सड़ी जऊ, खराब થઈ જવું, खराब हो जाना, सड़ जाना. तो हमारे बोन्स और जो जो टीथ है, जो हमारे टूथ है, टूथ दैट इज द इनर साइड ऑफ द टीथ will get decay. Weak bones and tooth decay are the symptoms of the deficiency of this calcium. Now comes the iodine. From where are we getting this calcium? From where do we get calcium, children? We get calcium from milk, banana, eggs. Now comes about the iodine. Well, the deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Goiter એટલે what are the symptoms of goiter? The symptoms of goiter are glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children. जो हमारा जो गला होता है उसमें जो ग्लैंड्स होते हैं वो स्वोलन मतलब सूज जाना, उसमें सूजन आ जाती है. एंड मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी इन चिल्ड्रन. तो जो बच्चे होते हैं उनका जो माइंड होता है वो पूरी तरह से डेवलप नहीं होता है. किस में ऐसा होता है? ऐसा होता है गोइटर में. गोइटर किस वजह से होता है? द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन. आयोडीन किस में से मिलता है हमें? वेल, वी गेट आयोडीन फ्रॉम जिंजर. Yes, it is shown on page number 13 of your book, the right side first figure. And then comes this iron. The deficiency of iron causes anemia and the symptoms are weakness. So anemia is a condition where anemia is a condition of blood in which the iron is found in very rare quantity and this results in weakness. हमें बहुत weakness feel होती है. Why? Due to this anemia. And anemia is a disorder of what? The iron deficiency. So, and from where do we get the iron? Well, children, we get iron from apples, spinaches, etc., etc. Right? So now comes the summary. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food also contains fibers and water. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body. Proteins and minerals are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Balanced diet provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water. Roughage, that are dietary fibers. Deficiency of one or more nutrients in our food for a long time may cause certain diseases or disorders. Now comes the keywords. Balanced diet. As you all know, what is balanced diet? The diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with the proper amount of roughage and water. Well, then comes the beriberi. What is beriberi? Beriberi is a disease that is caused due to the lack of vitamin B. Comes the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a nutrient that is present in our food. Starch, yes, starch plus what? Starch plus, चलो चलो याद करो बच्चों, कार्बोहाइड्रेट में क्या क्या था? starch and, come on, starch and sugar. Now comes the energy. Energy is provided by the food which we eat. Then comes the fats. Fats are the, what are the fats? Carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving food. Then comes the minerals. What are minerals? Our bones, teeth, blood, etc. contains different minerals. Minerals are necessary for our growth and maintenance of the body. And then comes the nutrients. What are the nutrients? हाँ बच्चों, what is meant by nutrients? Nutrients का क्या meaning होता है? Well, nutrient means the substances that are present in our food which gives nutrition to our body. Proteins. Proteins are bodybuilding food. Roughage. Roughage are dietary fibers that are needed for our body, that are present in our food. What is the function of this roughage, this dietary fiber? Well, they helps in throwing out waste materials, that is the undigested food, from our body. Scurvy. Well, scurvy is a disease that is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C, in which the bleeding gums are there and also the wounds take longer time to heal. Then comes the starch. Starch is a component that is present in carbohydrate. Then comes the vitamins. Vitamins are very necessary for our body. Some vitamins like vitamin A, B, C and D we have studied in this chapter, and we also studied that what diseases are caused due to the deficiency of this vitamin. So children, this was all about our second chapter, components of food. I hope you might have understood the chapter very well, and if you are having any queries, please mark it down in your notebook, and whenever the school will reopen, whenever we will meet, I will try to solve all your queries, all your confusion. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care everybody.